Plant-based junk food, good or bad? In recent years, plant-based diets have gained immense popularity, with many individuals transitioning to a more sustainable and compassionate way of eating. However, with the rise of plant-based junk food options, the question arises, is plant-based junk food good or bad for our health and well-being? So let's examine both sides of the argument. From a positive perspective, plant-based junk food can offer a convenient and delicious way to transition to a plant-based diet. For individuals accustomed to the taste and texture of traditional junk food, these alternatives provide a familiar experience without the negative health implications associated with animal-based products. Moreover, plant-based junk food can play a role in expanding the accessibility of vegan options, making it easier for individuals to adopt a plant-based lifestyle in areas where plant-based foods might be scarce. On the other hand, it is important to recognize that plant-based junk food, like any other junk food, is still heavily processed and usually high in refined carbohydrates, unhealthy fats, and sugars. Consuming excessive amounts of these ingredients can contribute to weight gain, increased risk of chronic diseases, and other negative health effects. While plant-based junk food may be free from animal products, it is essential to focus on eating whole, unprocessed plant foods to ensure a balanced and nutritious diet. Another concern regarding plant-based junk food lies in its environmental impact. While these products may be plant-based, they are often heavily packaged and processed, consuming significant amounts of energy and water resources in their production. Additionally, the transportation needed to distribute these products globally may contribute to carbon emissions. To truly embrace a sustainable plant-based diet, it is crucial to prioritize whole, locally sourced plant foods and reduce reliance on processed alternatives, including plant-based junk food. Furthermore, the consumption of plant-based junk food may contribute to the perpetuation of an unhealthy food culture. By labeling these products as junk food, we undermine the importance of promoting a predominantly whole food plant-based diet. It is essential to prioritize whole fruits, vegetables, legumes, and grains to derive maximum health benefits. By focusing on whole foods, we can ensure a balanced intake of essential nutrients and avoid the negative consequences associated with excessive consumption of processed foods. While plant-based junk food may have its drawbacks, it also has its place in the transition to a plant-based lifestyle. For some individuals, completely eliminating the taste and experience of traditional junk food can be a challenging task. Plant-based alternatives can serve as a bridge, allowing individuals to gradually shift towards a more sustainable and compassionate way of eating. Moreover, the increasing popularity of these alternatives has sparked innovation in the plant-based food industry, encouraging the development of even healthier and more ethically sourced options. In conclusion, plant-based junk food is a topic that warrants consideration from various angles. While it may provide a gateway to a plant-based diet for some individuals, it is important to approach these products with caution. Balancing the convenience and taste of plant-based junk food with the health and environmental concerns associated with it is crucial. Ultimately, to reap the full benefits of a plant-based lifestyle, prioritizing whole, unprocessed plant foods is key. I hope this information on plant-based junk food was helpful. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe. For more tips and topics on being vegan, vegan diets, vegan smoothies, vegan recipes, and eating healthy as a vegan, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's make today the day we start to change our eating habits for a healthier life. And remember, you are what you eat. Thanks for watching.